Common GE washing machine problems like failure to drain, spin, or start can often be fixed by resetting the unit, unplugging for 3 minutes, balancing the load, or cleaning the drain pump filter. For issues like not filling or noisy operation, check for kinked hoses, clean the inlet screens, and ensure the washer is level. Common GE washer problems and fixes. Washer won't start/power up. Fix. Unplug for 3 minutes to reset the control board. Fix. Check that the lid is closing properly to engage the switch. Fix. Ensure the unit is receiving power and not tripped at the circuit breaker. Not draining or spinning. Fix. Check the drain hose for kinks or blockages. Fix. Clean the drain pump filter, which can get clogged with debris. Fix. Balance the load. Uneven, heavy, or too many clothes can prevent spinning. Noisy or vibrating. Fix. Level the machine by adjusting the leveling legs. Fix. Ensure all shipping bolts were removed if recently installed. Leaking water. Fix. Check for a torn or dirty door gasket front loaders. Fix. Tighten fill hose connections. Fix. Reduce detergent amount to prevent excess suds. Not filling or slow filling. Fix. Ensure water supply valves are fully open. Fix. Clean the mesh screens in the inlet hoses. How to reset a GE washer. If the washer is malfunctioning or displaying error codes, a hard reset can often clear the issue. Unplug the washer from the wall outlet for at least 3 minutes. Plug the washer back in. Within 30 seconds of plugging it back in, lift and lower the lid 6 times or open/close the door 6 times. This action resets the motor and control system.